A snowblower or snow thrower is a machine for removing snow from an area where it is not wanted, such as sidewalk, roadway, ice rink, or runway. The snow shovel makes winter cleanup quick and easy by cleaning snow in on time. This cordless snowblower comes with a battery charger that gives you super big runtime to move more snow in a single charge. The snowblower is a powerful and a planet-conscious solution for your yard tasks. So now discuss different types of snowblower. 1. Snowjoe 24V SB18 cordless snowblower powered by Snowjoe Exclusive Ion plus 24V lithium-ion battery system. 2 4.0Ah batteries provide up to 40 minutes of rechargeable run time with zero carbon emissions for cleaner air. 1200 watt brushless motor clear up to 14 tons of snow per charge. Equipped with a heavy duty rubber tipped steel blade auger, Snowjoe clears an 18-inch wide by 10-inch deep path in a single pass, up to 700 lbs per minute, while the integrated scraper bar clears right to the ground. Adjustable heat tank rotates heat up to 180 degrees to throw snow up to 20 feet away in any direction. 4-blade rubber tipped steel clear a path 18 wide and 10 inches deep in a single pass. It also provides a safety switch to avoid accidental starting. 2. Yardmax YB5765 snowblower. Yardmax 6.5 HP CC recoil start or LCT electric start 7.0 HP snow engine easily cut through yard packed snow and ice with serrated steel and axis-shape housing design. It is engineered for maximum throwing distance and minimal snow blowback. High-speed impeller consumes more snow and an extended heat maintains a tighter discharge. It has perfect weight balance and handlebar height. The 26-inch features a dashboard with an LED headlight, easy-to-reach speed control and cup holder for total convenience. It is self-propelled drive with multiple speeds. These mighty two-stage snowblowers are able to clear large areas and help reduce operator fatigue with added user-friendly design features and benefits that come standard. 3. Earthwise Ascent 74016 snowblower. The powerful 40-volt brushless motor in this Earthwise snow thrower makes it a cute and planet-conscious snowblower. It is battery operated, so it doesn't require oil or gas to function. Earthwise battery and charger are reliable power sources to keep your snowblower running for years. This 40-volt brushless motors can move 300 lbs of snow per minute. This Earthwise power shovel has 16 clearing with 8 clearing depth and 32 snow throwing distance to make winter cleanup hassle-free. The heat can be adjusted up to 180 degrees to set the snow throwing direction. It has a dual blade auger to collect and move snow in your yard. The 180 degree rotating heat can be adjusted to help you move snow wherever you want it. Snow removal is now quick and hassle-free with Earthwise Ascent 74016 40-volt cordless electric snow shovel. You can forget about special tools to adjust the snow throwing directions. You can adjust the heat by hand without needing to turn off the motor during adjustment for uninterrupted snow. The Earthwise battery operated design is cute and planet conscious. It doesn't harmful fumes and clearing snow can be safe for you and environment. This planet conscious design gives you a reliable snow clearing solutions for your home, streets. 4. Toro electric snowblower. It is electric powered. The 1800 power curve snowblower weighs only 25 pounds, making it easy to maneuver for anyone. The blower's ergonomic handle provides maximum comfort and leverage. Its lift handle makes it easy to transfer from the deck to the pathway, and its cord lock system means you don't have to stop because of interrupted power. Larger 6-inch wheels provide more snow gripping traction. The power curve technology cleans down to the surface and helps prevent clogging. Change the direction and lock in the angle to throw snow where you want. Maintenance free, the 1800 power curve snowblower offers convenience with a handle that folds for compact storage. Toro covers the electric 1800 power curve snowblower with a 2-year warranty. Capacity and throw distance will vary with conditions. It combining a 15 AMP electric motor with patented power curve technology. The blower moves more snow in less time and cleans all the way down to the pavement. In one pass, the blower can clear a path 18-inch wide and 12 inches deep. 5. Greenworks 80-volt cordless snow thrower. Greenworks Pro 80-volt 20-inch cordless electric snow blower with 20-inch auger width and utilizing the powerful 80-volt lithium-ion powered 6-inch rear wheels make it easy to maneuver. Digital control brushless motor for more torque, longer runtime, cute operation and longer life. It is quickly clears your driveway, sidewalk with 20-inch clearing path. The ultimate performance with 80-volt ion battery delivers greater efficiency with up to 45 minutes of runtime with 2.0 Ah battery. Greenworks snow thrower include cute, maintenance-free brushless motor technology for peak performance with 180-degree rotating hood for desired snow displacement and use battery that is being stored at room temperature. If unit does not start, remove battery from snow thrower and allow it to warm indoors for 10 minutes or longer. Reinstall battery and try again. 6. Poulan Pro PR270 Snow Thrower. 254cc Poulan Pro engine transmission types. Poulan Pro dual stage snow thrower have the power and features needed to make short work for any snow clearing job. Whether you have a larger small area to clear, there is a Poulan Pro snow thrower for you. The powerful ribbon eagles brake throw snow and ice and propel it back into the impeller, which then push the snow up and out the hood. The Poulan Pro engine is powerful, durable and designed to withstand harsh winter conditions. Its convenient features make starting and operation simple. It is electric start. It has deflector controls, console mounted hood easily direct the snow where you want.